Hello, everyone. My name is Kevin Tarr. I am an iOS engineer, and today is day 16 of Algorithms and Swift. So today is a really, really beautiful day, and I wanted to share my day with you guys while we solve algorithms today. And what better reason to solve algorithms than good weather? It's a bad joke, really bad joke. So today we're gonna solve an algorithm. If you guys remember the duplicate problems that we've done before, this problem is going to focus on the most common element within an array. We're going to find the most common element, and if there are more than one common element or more than one element that appears the most times within an array, we're going to identify them as well. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's begin, guys. Our problem states, given an array of strings, return the most common element in the array. If there's a tie, return all elements that have the most occurrences. We have some sample test cases here. New Jersey, New York, Philadelphia, Washington, D.C., and New Jersey should return New Jersey because New Jersey reappears twice. Red, red, green, yellow, blue, and green should return blue and red because red and blue appear 3 times. Our array of some very, very popular characters of a very popular show right now that I'm not going to name, Game of Thrones, should return Jon Snow, Lord Varys, and Arya Stark. Okay, so if you guys remember how we did the duplicate problems with our array of tuples and the unique keys method, then this should bring back some very, very fond memories, and this should be pretty straightforward for you to approach in solving this problem. Okay, but I'm going to solve this right now for you guys. We're going to call this most common element. Pass in a beautiful array of strings. I'm going to return an array of strings, just in case we have more than one common element. Okay, and basically we're just going to guard first to see if our array is empty in the first place, because we don't want to do work if we have an empty array. We're just going to return an empty array back and save ourselves all the work. But if it's not empty, then we're going to continue, and we're just going to create some constants here. Okay. So first, we're going to create our dictionary or our array of constants right here. So we'll call this tuple array, and it's going to be array.map. Okay, so we're going to pair each element with a number, okay, with a number 1. Then we're going to, what am I going to call this? Tuple dictionary, for lack of a better term. Get better at naming some of these. But tuple dictionary should have the tuple array, and we're going to unique the keys with the plus operator. So every element, every key that appears in the dictionary, so the dictionary is basically going to take the strings of the array and make them keys and give their values the 1 of the tuple, the number that we put in. And every key that appears more than once is going to add 1 to it. And that will take account for the number of appearances that each time a key appears, okay? Each time a string appeared in our original array. So we're basically using the dictionary's rule of only having unique keys, not having duplicate keys, and using the unique keys method to structure our dictionary to give us the amount of times each key appears. And taking that number, we can take advantage of that by doing a direct comparison and putting that in an array of the number of times that, the elements that appear the most, that match the maximum amount of time. So right here, we could do that right here, call this maximum, and directly get our values. Okay, so we could do tuple dictionary dot values dot max, and that gives us the maximum number of times an element has appeared in our entire dictionary. Okay, or our entire array that's now turned into a dictionary. And then basically all we have to do is return this. We're gonna convert this into an array. back into array because that's what we're returning. We're going to filter through the tuple dictionary. Each element, each value in our dictionary, we're going to ask if it's equal to maximum. And that's going to be sorry. We're going to get the keys. Sorry, that's a very important part. We can't get the values of numbers. The keys are the actual strings. So we're going to filter through the tuple dictionary. Every value, every number that is equal to the maximum amount, wherever that is, wherever that's defined as, we're going to return its key pair. Okay, so for this array of our Game of Thrones characters, Jon Snow, Lord Varys, and Arya Stark appear twice. So 2 is the maximum value of all the values in the dictionary, because Jon Snow, Lord Varys, and Arya Stark had to be added by 1 with the unique keys method. Okay, and we can prove it right now with running them in a function actually. And this is great preparation for tonight's episode. Boom, what do we have here? Arya Stark, Lord Varys, Jon Snow. They appear twice, okay? We could do this array right here, which should return blue-red, or red-blue. Yep, there we go. Appears twice. And then for the beautiful and best state in America, New Jersey. No bias. It should return New Jersey. Okay, so that's basically how you solve this. This should again bring fond memories of when we did a duplicate problem. We basically just got a maximum value out of the dictionary, and we're able to compare that to all the values in the dictionary. This is order n complexity if you want to understand the big O context, and I can explain that in much more detail. If you guys have any questions about time complexity of this, you can write them in the comments below of this video. Guys, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support. Please share this with anybody that's going through a coding interview, and hopefully this helps you if you're going through a coding interview. Thanks again. Have fun and enjoy tonight's episode. Good night.